loves! Welcome back to another Magical Moments. Today we are at the Disneyland Hotel and I am so excited. We are staying here for the night and we are here for the Disney's 100-year celebration, which starts tomorrow, and I cannot wait to see what Disney has in store for us. So I want to take you guys along on a quick little room tour to show you guys the room, and if this is something you guys want to see, then just keep following along. So this is your view when you walk inside of the Disneyland Hotel. It's like the old cartoons, the old studio. This is amazing. So we actually booked a deluxe room, but they were so sweet and they upgraded us to a premium view room. So we're gonna take you guys around and show you what that room looks like. So right as you come in the door, you're welcomed into this giant space and there is the closet. And as you guys can see, they have extra pillows and blankets, there's robes, there's an iron and ironing board, there's a safe in there as well. And then if you flip around over here, this is like your little mini vanity. So they give you obviously your little ice bucket, some glasses, there's a Keurig, obviously the pods for the Keurig, and there's your condiment kit, so it'll have like your sugars and your creamers. And then I just absolutely love this hotel for the details. I mean, look at this lampshade. So pretty. And then as you can see, there's a mirror here. So as you guys know, we love mirrors. So now I'm gonna take you guys into the bathroom area. So the cool thing about this is that it has an actual door and it closes off. So you still have all of this room and, you know, especially if you have kids, it's totally great. So as you can see, yes, lots of space. Has a giant mirror right here on the door. And then as you come in, you're gonna see that it comes with a shower and tub together. So pretty standard, really nice. And then like I said before about the details, Mickey's hand holding the lampshade, love that. And then they provide you with the H2O products. Now, these are obviously a favorite by a lot of people, so luckily the Disneyland Hotel still carries this because I know that unfortunately they did go out of business, but luckily when you stay at the Disneyland Hotel, these are the products that you get. So body wash, there's shampoo, conditioner, shower cap, body lotion, and if you've never used any of this stuff, oh my God, you have to. The smell is amazing. And then as you come across, there's the sink, same thing again, the details. Mickey Mouse, so cute. Same thing, there's lots of mirrors like we said, the towels down there, extra toilet paper, there's a hair dryer, and then if you whip around over here, this is the toilet. And cool thing about that too, there's a door that shuts that off, so if somebody needs to use the restroom, you still have this whole area open to use. Okay, so now as you come into the room, there is a desk, cute little lamp. And then right now, because it's the 100-year celebration, this is the little envelope that you get that has your keys in it. So cute. Definitely a keepsake. And then right now is, oh, this is so cool because when we stayed here before, they were not doing in-room dining, unfortunately, because of COVID. So now they have in-room dining. So as you guys can see, they have breakfast, dinner, kids' dinner, refreshments. There's a lot of options on here too. Flip it on the back, they have cocktails, beer, and then they have wines by the bottle. So this is great that they put this back and implemented this for use. Can't wait to use that. And then now on the desk, you're gonna see that they have the USB charging ports, they have the regular outlets, there's a lot of them on there. So you guys can charge your phones, your cameras, whatever. Another mirror. So it's 2 queen-size beds. And the great thing about these is they have these beautiful pillows. A dream is a wish your heart makes. And then obviously over here, when you're fast asleep. And then my favorite thing about staying at the Disneyland Hotel has to be this headboard. So I want one of these at home. But this headboard, obviously, as you can see, it's the castle, but it's not just the castle, guys. Let's flip this off. When you flip this switch, oh my God. I literally want this at home. It's so cool. So obviously, as you guys can see, it plays the song, the fireworks light up on the headboard. It truly is a magical moment. Kids love this, adults love it. It's such a great addition to the rooms, and it makes it feel just so special, and you know, you're ready for your magical trip to Disney. And then obviously, like normal, have your remote right here. They have a telephone. There's an alarm clock, which also has some more of the fast charge USB. Inside of here, you actually have a mini fridge. So it's a pretty decent sized fridge. So you can put like your sodas, juice, snacks in there, food. And then obviously there's drawers, and the drawers are pretty deep too, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And there's 3 of them down there. And then if you also pay attention to the detail on the floor and the carpet, you can see like the little Mickeys all throughout, the stars, the fireworks. They spared no expense when it came to the details, which is amazing. And as you can see right there, there's a beautiful photo of Walt Disney inside of Disneyland. That's one of the most iconic photos, and it's just a great addition to this room. And if you come over here, there's a little chair. You can sit down, read, relax. Now, since we were upgraded, which I'm super grateful for, we actually have a pool view. Ooh, so excited. And that's what it looks like. So that is the pool for the hotel. As you can see, there's a pool on this side. There's a pool all the way over on the other side. And then that Disneyland sign that has like the monorails on there, that's an actual water slide. And Trader Sam's is down there. They have Tangaroa Terrace where you can get food and drinks. This is such an amazing view. I'm so happy. All right, my loves, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little room tour of our premium pool view room at the Disneyland Hotel. And like I said, we're here for the 100-year celebration, which starts tomorrow, and I cannot wait to see what they have in store. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys will know when there's another magical moments. And until our next magical moments together, bye!